Hey guys, what's up? My name is Tommy and today I want to share with you 3 ways that you can use props like this in one photo shoot. Ready? Let's go. To be fair, I wasn't even originally going to bring these flowers to the photo shoot. I just happened to stop by a florist earlier in the morning and I decided to pick these up because I had a bit more time and I wanted to utilize props a bit more in my photos. It was my first time meeting the model Claudia as well. And so as a good warm-up, I think something to hold is going to make everyone a bit more comfortable. And so that's my first tip, is to use the flowers as something to hold. One of the directions I gave Claudia was to hold the flowers near her. And that's going to make the photo a little bit more interesting, and also she's going to be a bit more comfortable and she's not going to have to worry about her hands too much in the photo. If you ask any model, sometimes they're not sure what to do with their hands. So having something for them to hold, like a flower, is going to make for a good warm-up, and so we can ease into the photo shoot as we go on. And these are some of the photos of Claudia holding the flowers. Idea number 2, use flowers to create shadows. So one of the reasons why I picked these flowers in the florist instead of other flowers is because I know that these gifts create really nice shadows on the face when you're pointing them in the direction of the sun. That's because they have really small stems and buds, and it's not going to make too many shadows on the face. In my other photos previously, I've used shadows a lot, not only with these flowers but with other kind of props and materials as well, and so it wasn't too difficult to handle. But one thing that you want to keep in mind when you are taking these shadow photos is how you're going to post-process them later on. Because sometimes you might find that the shadows are just way too intense and the highlights are way too bright and you're not sure where to expose for. And so you want to keep in mind how to do that when you are shooting. Usually I like to underexpose a little bit, and so that way I can bring back the highlights later on. So here are some of my photos using these flowers to create shadows. Finally, tip number 3, using the flowers as something to wear. So at this point I was really done with ideas and I was like, oh man, how can I push the boundaries and create something unique from these flowers? And so I brought my hat out of the car, obviously keeping all the props in the boot, and I decided to weave in the flowers a little bit into the hat. Unfortunately, I didn't actually record the behind the scenes for this part, but here are some of the photos that I took. And so I thought using the flowers within the hat was going to be pretty interesting because I haven't seen too many people do that. Usually I see the flowers in a pocket or in a bunch or something like that, and so not actually inside the hat, and I thought that was pretty cool. And so that was my third and final tip, use the flowers as something you can wear. So guys, it was really fun making this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you think of the photos. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and comment down below which photo you thought was your favorites. If you want to see more of my videos, you can hit the subscribe button and hit the bell notification to stay updated with all my videos. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.